Here I have OPPO Reno4 Z 5G, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open screen which you want to capture. For example, it could be your apps list, and after that you have to hold down combination power key and volume down for about a second like this, and that's how you can take screenshot. Let me show one more time. Power key, volume down, and that's how it's done. You can find your screenshots in gallery, here at the screenshot album, and here they are. And from here you can share, edit or delete your screenshots. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.